Hello guys, so let's talk about few more methods in a list that were simply left. Okay, like count, sort, and sort function, find, then clear method, sorted function, uh, and the last one is sort method. Okay, I hope I have spoken this earlier also. If we have to create the copy of the list also, that also we will learn over here. So let's start here. First is count method. Okay, first is count method. Okay, why I'm not able to write? Okay, so what is to be done over here in the count method? Yes, of course, the same list we want here. Okay, like let me create the class here. Just suppose, okay, class 6, I have this list with me, and I'm writing my student's name here, like you can say Harsh. Fine, and after that I will simply write down here Summer. Okay, and the next list is next child is here. I will write here Falak. Okay, then next is Adi. Okay, fine, clear. So just suppose this is my list, and I simply I have created, okay, random list. After that I have to use the count. Means I just want to count that how many students are there in my list. So what I'll do, I will simply write down here print. Okay, then class, fine, class dot count. Okay, and I simply want to find out how many students are there. Okay, so what I'll do, control S. If I will print this, then what will happen? Let's check the output. Okay, it is saying that it is invalid syntax. Why I have not written here 6? Okay, I did not write here. Control S. Then if I will run it again, then what it will say, it is saying that it will take exactly one argument. Means nothing is given to count. Okay, so it will not tell me that how many that elements are there. Clear? So if I will write here, and let me repeat one more name here, like suppose I am repeating one name, that is Summer. Okay, and now here I want to count like Falak. I have to count here Falak. Okay, so it will tell me how many Falak are there in my list. So there is only one Falak. Okay, of this particular name, I have only one child in my class. Okay, if I will write here Summer. Okay, Summer. Okay, fine. So let's check. Yes, yes, it is saying there are two Summer in my class. Okay, so this is how you can use the count method in Python. Okay, I hope you are getting what is the count method. You can count the elements in your list. Okay, or you can say you can count the number of students in your list. Okay, is that particular child is present there or not. Fine, for this purpose we use the count method. Now the next is sort method. Sort method, so let me comment it out. Okay, fine, now we need the list. Okay, so next is sort method. Fine, so we need the same list. Okay, so let's sorting means to arrange the elements alphabetically. Okay, that is the sorting. Sometimes we have a list and we have to arrange them alphabetically. Okay, that is also very easy for us to find out and to locate the things. Clear? It's very easy for us to locate the things. Fine, so let's see how to use. Suppose I am writing here class 6 dot sort. Okay, fine, Then after that I am saying print, what is to be print? Class 6. Okay, control S. Fine, it is saying that class 6 is not great. So let's check now what is happening. Yeah, you know, these are the little things that we have to take care while coding. Okay, fine. So we got our list. You can see, let's check, is it arranged or not? Is it sorted or not? It's not sorted. We simply got our list. Class 6 dot sort. Yes, it has to do, it is sorting H, but Adi is not sorted. Okay, rest is sorted down, but the name Adi is not sorted over here. Okay, fine. Just let me check here what is the issue. Fine, if I will run it now, it is sorted down. Okay, so here it is sorted down. What was the problem here? Because I have written it in the small letters and rest all were in the capital letters, so that's why it was taking that, it was, you know, odd one out. It was like a odd one out, Adi. So it's like it, that's why it is coming at the end. When I simply make it similar, like here first letter is capital, first letter capital, P capital, H capital, you can see here when I run it at the last, okay, last time, so these all are arranged alphabetically, but not this, because their first letter is not capital. Now I changed it. Okay, so it is showing me the output according to that only. Clear? I hope this output is clear to you. Sort method. Yes, of course you can sort down your numbers also. Fine. Yes. Okay, so let's check. Let me comment it out. Okay, just suppose if I will create one list over here, numbers. Okay, then I am writing here numbers 100, okay, 20, 10. I'm taking the mixed numbers here. Okay, fine. Then 3, 40. Fine. So now I have to sort here what? Numbers. Numbers I have to sort. So I have to print also numbers. So let's check, is it sorting it or not? Control S. Okay, so let's see. Okay, great. So what? So I think I think it is clear to you. It is sorted out. Okay, it is ascending order. Is it ascending or descending order? It is ascending order. It is arranging the numbers, okay, according to that only. So what if I have to arrange the list in descending order? So how to do that? Okay, so let's see that also, how to do that also. Okay, fine. So what is the how to sort it? So I will write here, okay, list, this is numbers, okay, dot sort. Then I will write here reverse is equal to true. Fine. So let's see what is happening if I will use this. Now yes, of course it has arranged the elements in the descending order. Okay, so sort method accepts the reverse parameter as an optional argument. If you will write down this, okay, yes, of course it will sort the list in the descending order. Reverse is equal to true if you will write this. Fine. So we have seen here ascending and descending also. Okay, how to arrange them. Yes, of course you can sort the list according to the, if you want to list according to the vowels, if you want to sort the vowels also, then also you can easily do that. Okay, fine. So like if okay, let's move forward now. So next is my sorted function. Okay, next is sorted function. Okay, so what is it here? This is my function. What is to be done? Let's see here. If I will simply write down here print sorted, okay, then I will write down numbers. Clear? Fine, let me comment it out. Okay, I want this, I'll delete, I'll paste here. Fine, so let's see the output. What is the output? Yes, so it is sorting the list. Look here. Okay, it is simply giving me the list. Fine, it is simply giving me this list 120 10 60. Okay, means that the list that is that has to be sorted. Okay, so it is giving me that list. Fine, so next is my clear method. Next is my clear method. Clear means I'll simply show you here in the, look here at the bottom. If I will write here clear, so what will happen? It is removing the previous output over here. It is clearing the window, okay, this output pane, so that we will not get confused between the other outputs and the new one. Clear? So simply we can use, or how to use it in a list. Look here, I will use here number. Okay, number, then I will write here clear, means whatever is there in the list I want to clear. Fine, so let me take it from here. So let's save, okay, and see here the output. Number what is numbers? Okay, list is numbers. Fine, okay, let's run. Now you can see it is showing me the empty list because I have cleared my this number list. Okay, now I am not having anything over here. Fine, so this is how I can use the clear method in a list. Fine, so next is what if you have to create the copy of your list. Okay, so how can you do that? So let's create the copy of this number list only. Okay, numbers, then copy, fine, is equal to numbers, okay, dot copy. Fine, clear? I hope you are getting it. After that, print, what I have to print? Numbers, copy. Okay, clear? So this is all what I have to print here. So let's see, is it doing, is it working or not? Yes, of course, because I am clearing the list. Let me comment it out. Okay, great. Fine, so let's run now. Okay, yes, now it has created the copied list. Okay, clear? Same way you can create any copy of your list. Fine, so all these things today we have learned. There are few more methods that we talked about, that is count method, sort method. In the sort we talked about ascending order, descending order. Fine, and sorted function also, and the next one is clear method. After that we talked about the copy method. I hope all these are clear to you. Kindly like my video if you liked it. Okay, if you understood the concept, like, share and comment. Your likes really, your comments really boost my morale. Okay, yes, of course, it really matters. Thank you.